Hi, Rich Salles, Foundation Patents. There's something I want to tell inventors about prototyping. For design patents, it's tremendously important. Your photographs are going to become your drawings, which will become your patent. And they're very broad. And now that we have the ordinary observer test for design patents, you want your prototype. I can Photoshop out a lot of, duct tape and bubble gum, and if it looks raw, that's fine, no problem. For utility patents, you don't need a prototype. In fact, you're probably going to want a utility provisional before you have a foundry or a vendor build your prototype, because now you're spilling it out to the world. You probably trust the factory foreman who's tailoring his CNC machining center or a 3D printing machine to make your first prototype, but you're not sure. So file a utility provisional. It's much better than an NDA. An NDA is a black box document, and litigation lawyers love NDAs because they can argue about who invented what when, who owned what when, and those battles are at your expense. Just file your own utility provisional. You get a 1-year patent pending. It's specifically designed for the micro-entity startup to efficiently have 1 year to sell, further hone his invention, make the prototype without fear of theft from a vendor. You can go to industry trade shows, find out who's interested, venture capital partnering, but you can't do any of that with peace of mind without a utility provisional. So here at Foundation Patents, we know that, and we've adjusted cost for that. We know exactly how to do it. So utility provisional, 1-year patent pending, saves all that paranoia. Now you're the inventor, or if you're with a team, joint co-inventors, and you then have a year to hone, tailor, build, fabricate your prototype for sales, licensing royalties, or to build it and sell it on Amazon, Etsy, or your brick and mortar. But you've got to have that utility provisional, or you're just spilling it out to the world. Anyway, didn't mean to increase paranoia. Just say we're here for you if you need it. Foundation Patents, Walnut Creek, California, and we hope you can call 925-478-5662. Rich Salles, patent attorney, Foundation Patents. Thanks.